Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will learn about fundamentals of Python programming language. Previous tutorials, we will learn Python basics, Python programming history, and importance of learning Python and base the values and variables and literals and strings formatting and identifiers and keywords and Python operators, conditional statements and looping statements and jump statements and also input output and comments in previous tutorials. Here in this tutorial we start with fundamentals of Python. The first one is list. The here we need to learn what is list. A list is a collection of items in Python. The lists are ordered and it is a mutable. The mutable means changeable and allows a duplicate values. Lists are written inside a square brackets. I'm taking one example to show how it is. I'm taking name of fruits. Fruits equals to I open brackets and start with double quotes. I'm taking apple and end with double quotes, comma and start with double quotes, banana and end with double quotes, comma and start with double quotes and end with double quotes. Here is the list of fruits: apple, banana, and cherry. Next, we need to print these fruits, right? So what we need to do is I need to print fruits. That's it. Here the list is apple, banana, and cherry. This is the list. The list is a order. It is a mutable. Mutable means changeable and allows the duplicates values. The lists are written inside the square brackets. This is all about list. Next, we coming into the different types of list. The lists can hold a different types of values. First one is homogeneous list. The same type of elements like numbers or strings like that. Numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Another one is heterogeneous list. The different types of elements like mix of numbers, strings, float value and boolean value like that. There are two types of listers, homogeneous listers and heterogeneous listers. I'm taking one example to shows both homogeneous list and heterogeneous list. First, I'm taking an example for homogeneous list. I'm taking numbers. This is the example for homogeneous list. The numbers equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. This is the homogeneous. The homogeneous means same type of values. It holds the same type of values. This is the list 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. I'm taking another example for heterogeneous list. It stores the different types of elements. It holds the different types of elements. Like I'm taking a mixed as a variable name 10, comma and start with double quote because it is a string. I'm taking hello as a string and I'm taking a 3.14 as a floating number and also I'm taking true as a boolean value. This is my list. It is here. It is a mixed of. It holds a mixed number, mixed types of elements because we are not in with square brackets. So mixed is equals to 10 comma true is a boolean value. Now we print these mixed elements. Here is the heterogeneous list. It holds the different types of elements. Here is all about different types of list. Another one is empty list. Here is the example for empty list. I'm taking a empty underscore list as an variable name. The lists are in square bracket, so that's why I'm taking a square bracket. Now we are going to show empty list, so that's why I don't need to put any other values in that. I need to print empty values, empty list, empty list. So it showing empty list. Here it is the example for empty list. This is all about different types of lists in Python. The one is homogeneous, another one is heterogeneous, another one is empty list. Next we move on to the nested list. List inside the list is called a nested list. Here in this, a nested list means a list that contains another list. I am taking one example to show as a simple nested list. Nested as a variable name. I am taking square brackets. I am taking other one square brackets. Here in this 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 3 comma 4. Then I need to take another one, that is string list, like A comma B comma C comma, that's it. Here is the list inside the another list. So we need to print nested list. The nested, here is the 0, here is 1, here is showing a 2, because here is the first list, first one, 0 1 2 3. So that's why it's showing a 2. Here instead of 0, I need to print 1 and 1. Now it's showing B. Then I need to showing 0. It's showing A. Like that. Here is the accessing nested elements. Next, I'm taking another example for 2D matrix using a list. The matrix equal to the list inside the list, right? So 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then I need to take another 4 comma 5 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Then 7 comma 8 comma 9. So this is the 2D matrix using a list. The print matrix of 1 and 2. Now it prints second column, third one. Here is 6. Then I need to change 1 comma 2. It's showing third row, second column. 8. Third row, second column. Second means 8. 0 1 2. Here is all about nested list. Next we move on to the, here is all about listers. The listers are a collection that can store a multiple items. They can be homogeneous, heterogeneous, or even empty. And we can create nested lists to represent more complex data like matrices. In the next tutorial, we will learn about list operations and methods. So make sure you stay tuned.